बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। कैसे हैं जी आप सब लोग। मैं आपका अरब दिल अजीज इंस्ट्रक्टर मोहम्मद शोकर सर बात कर रहा हूं। आज हम अपना फॉर्मली लेक्चर कंटिन्यू करेंगे। इससे पहले ईद की हॉलीडेज चल रही थी, तो ड्यूरिंग दोज हॉलीडेज हमने जो अपना लेक्चर था वो थोड़ा डिस्कंटिन्यू किया था। अभी हम दोबारा से अपना लेक्चर जो है वो स्टार्ट करेंगे और कोशिश करेंगे कि मैक्सिमम जो सिलेबस है वो इनिशियल से रिलेटेड जो ट्रेनिंग है वो हम कवर करें। तो इसमें जो फर्स्ट एंड द फार मोस्ट थिंग अभी जो हम डिस्कस करेंगे वो होंगे कंट्रीज के कैपिटल्स कि जो वर्ल्ड वाइड जो कंट्रीज एग्जिस्ट करती हैं उनके जो कैपिटल्स हैं वो भी एक बड़ा ही इम्पोर्टेंट सवाल होता है, जो कि इनिशियल्स में और सब्सिक्वेंटली आपके जो टेस्ट हैं उनमें आपसे पूछा जाएगा। बाकी इसके अलावा जो क्वेश्चंस हैं वो हम सब्सिक्वेंटली विद द पैसेज ऑफ टाइम जैसे जैसे जो ये हमारी लेक्चर सीरीज कंटिन्यू हुई वैसे वैसे वो जो क्वेश्चन हैं वो मैं आप तमाम दोस्तों से और तमाम जिन तक मेरी आवाज़ पहुंचती है उनसे डिस्कस करता रहा करूँगा। और सब्सिक्वेंटली हम अपना जो मेन गोल है जो कि इनिशियल की बेहतरीन तैयारी है सब्सिक्वेंटली हम वो अचीव करेंगे और जिस कदर जो है वो उसमें रिफाइननेस ला सकते हैं हम देख रहे हैं। तो आप तमाम लोगों ने तमाम दोस्तों ने जो लेक्चर सीरीज है उसको गौर से सुनना है और इसके ऊपर जो है वो अमल पैरा भी होना। बाकी जो मेन नोट्स हैं नोट्स विल रिमेन द स्टैंडर्ड। वही नोट्स हैं जो कि आपको जो है वो किसी डोगर की या आईएसएसबी से रिलेटेड किसी बुक में जो है वो आपको मिलेंगे। इसमें कोई ज़्यादा चेंजिंग वगैरह नहीं है, लेकिन ये है कि एक लिहाज से काफ़ी जो रिफाइंड सब्जेक्ट्स हैं वो हम कवर करें। चलिए जी फॉर्मली अपने लेक्चर को स्टार्ट करते हैं। पेज नंबर 58 पे जाएंगे। अच्छा जी ये बड़ी बेहतरीन तरीके से जो है वो डिज़ाइन किया है ये जो बुकलेट है और ये आर्मी एयरफोर्स और नेवी के जो इनिशियल टेस्ट होते हैं उनको कवर करती है। तो सबसे पहले जो हम जो ये सब्सिक्वेंटली जो कंट्रीज हैं वो अल्फ़ाबेटिकल ऑर्डर में प्लेस किए गए हैं जिसमें आपको कंट्री का कैपिटल उसकी करेंसी उसकी मेन जो बोले जाने वाली लैंग्वेजेस हैं वो और उस कंट्री का जो रिलीजन वो जो ऑफिशियल रिलीजन है वो इस बुकलेट में हम डिस्कस करेंगे। तो सबसे पहला कंट्री है अफगानिस्तान। इसका कैपिटल है काबुल। जो करेंसी ये लोग यूज करते हैं वो है अफगानी करेंसी, और लैंग्वेज पश्तो है और पर्शियन भी बोली जाती है। रिलीजन इनका जो ऑफिशियल है वो इस्लाम। इसके बाद अल्बानिया, कैपिटल इसका है तिराना। करेंसी जो बोली जाती है वो लीक है, और लैंग्वेज जो यूज की जाती है वो अल्बानियन है। और रिलीजन जो है वो ऑफिशियल या अबॉलिश्ड हो चुका है अल्बानिया का, मतलब दे आर मोर टुवर्ड्स द लिबरलिज्म साइड। और अल्जीरिया, कैपिटल इसका है अल्जायर, और अल्जायर इसको बोलते हैं। और करेंसी इसकी है दिनार, और लैंग्वेज अरबिक और फ्रेंच बोली जाती है। और रिलीजन जो ये फॉलो करते हैं वो है इस्लाम। अंदोरा, कंट्री का नाम है अंडोरा ले वियले, इनका कैपिटल है। करेंसी जो ये इस्तेमाल करते हैं वो है फ्रैंक और फ्रेंच। लैंग्वेज यूज की जाती है कैटलन और स्पेनिश। रिलीजन इनका है क्रिश्चियन। अंगोला, कैपिटल इसका है लुआंडा। करेंसी जो यूज करते हैं वो है कवांजा। जो लैंग्वेज इस्तेमाल की जाती है वो है पोर्टुगीज और बंटू। और रिलीजन जो ये लोग इस्तेमाल करते हैं वो है ट्राइबल रिलीजन इनका अपना, और क्रिश्चियनिटी की तरफ। एंटीगा एंड बारबूडा, ये बेसिकली मोस्टली जो अंगोला अंडोरा ये कंट्रीज आते हैं अफ्रीकन रीजन। जो कैपिटल है एंटीगा एंड बारबूडा का वो है सेंट जॉन्स। और करेंसी इस्तेमाल करते हैं डॉलर। लैंग्वेज है इंग्लिश, और रिलीजन है क्रिश्चियनिटी। अर्जेंटीना, जो कैपिटल है वो ब्यूनस आयरस है। करेंसी पेसो यूज करते हैं। लैंग्वेज इनकी स्पेनिश है, और जो रिलीजन है वो है क्रिश्चियनिटी। ऑस्ट्रेलिया, कैपिटल इज कैनबरा। करेंसी यूज्ड इज ऑस्ट्रेलियन डॉलर। लैंग्वेज इज इंग्लिश, और रिलीजन इज इस्लाम। ऑस्ट्रिया, कैपिटल इज वियना। करेंसी जो यूज करते हैं वो है यूरो। लैंग्वेज जर्मन इस्तेमाल करते हैं, और जो उनका रिलीजन है दैट इज क्रिश्चियन। अजरबैजान, कैपिटल इज बाकू। करेंसी जो यूज करते हैं वो है मांटास। जो लैंग्वेज यूज करते हैं वो अजीरी है, टर्किश है और रशियन। और रिलीजन इनका इस्लाम। बहामस, कैपिटल इसका है नासौ। जो करेंसी यूज की जाती है वो है बहामियन डॉलर। और लैंग्वेज यूज करते हैं इंग्लिश, और जो रिलीजन है दैट इज इस्लाम एंड। बहरेन, जो कैपिटल है वो है मनामा। जो करेंसी यूज करते हैं वो दिनार है। जो लैंग्वेज यूज करते हैं वो अरबिक और इंग्लिश है। और जो रिलीजन है बहरेन का वो क्रिश्चियनिटी। बांग्लादेश, जो कैपिटल है दैट इज ढाका। करेंसी टका। लैंग्वेज बंगाली एंड चकमामुगा। और जो रिलीजन है वो क्रिश्चियनिटी है। बारबाडोस, जो कैपिटल है दैट इज ब्रिज टाउन। करेंसी इज बारबाडोस डॉलर, इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज है। और जो रिलीजन है दैट इज क्रिश्चियनिटी। बहरीन और बांग्लादेश में मोस्टली जो रिलीजन यूज किया जाता है वो इस्लाम ही है। और ये यहाँ पे थोड़ी सी टाइपिंग मिस्टेक है, इस्लाम एंड क्रिश्चियनिटी बोथ आर देयर। और बेलारूस का कैपिटल मिन्स्क है। इसका जो करेंसी है दैट इज बेलारूस रूबल। और ज़ेचेक इसको बोलते हैं साथ में। लैंग्वेज बेलारूसियन और रशियन इस्तेमाल करते हैं। रिलीजन इनका क्रिश्चियनिटी। बेल्जियम, कैपिटल इज ब्रसल। करेंसी इज यूरो। लैंग्वेज इज डच, फ्रेंच एंड जर्मन। और जो रिलीजन है दैट इज क्रिश्चियनिटी। बेलीजे, कैपिटल इज बेलमोपन। जो करेंसी इस्तेमाल की जाती है दैट इज बारबाडोस डॉलर। जो लैंग्वेज है दैट इज इंग्लिश एंड स्पेनिश। और रिलीजन इनका क्रिश्चियनिटी। बेनिन, कैपिटल इज पोर्टोनोवो। currency uses franc, language French and tribal dialects, और जो religion है that is animism and Islam. Bermuda, capital is Hamilton, currency is Barbados dollar, language is English, and religion is Christianity. Bhutan, capital is Thimphu, uh, currency is Angultron, language they use is Bezongkha and Nepali, और जो इनका religion है that is Buddhism and Hinduism. Bolivia, capital is La Paz, currency is Boliviano, religion they use is Christianity, and the languages they use are Spanish and Aymara. Botswana, capital is Gaborone, जो करेंसी यूज करते हैं वो पोलर, जो लैंग्वेजेस यूज होती हैं वो इंग्लिश और सचवाना है, और जो रिलीजन है दैट इज क्रिश्चियन. ब्राजील, कैपिटल इज ब्राजीलिया, करेंसी यूज इज रियल, DRC भी बोला जाता है, और जो लैंग्वेज यूज करते हैं दैट इज पोर्टुगीज एंड इंग्लिश, और रिलीजन इनका क्रिश्चियन. ब्रुनाई, कैपिटल इज बंदर सेरी भगवान, currency they use is Brunei dollar, languages they use is Malay, Chinese, Malay is also a form of Chinese, and English. और इस्लाम इनका जो रिलीजन है दैट इज इस्लाम. एक सेकंड में आता हूँ. जो बुल्गारिया कैपिटल इज सोफिया, currency is lev, language they use is Bulgarian and Turkish, or religion is Christianity and atheism. Burundi, capital is Bujumbura, currency is Burundi franc, languages French and Kirundi, और जो religion है that is tribal religion Christianity. Cambodia, capital is Phnom Penh, the currency they use is real, languages are Khmer and French, और जो उनका religion है that is Theravada and Buddhism. Cameroon, capital is Yaoundé, currency is franc, language is French and English, religion tribal, भी religion इस्तेमाल होता है, और इस्लाम और क्रिश्चियनिटी. ये कैमरून से रिलेटेड जो सवाल है वो इस तरह से भी आ सकते हैं, आप इनको जो है वो अच्छे तरीके से याद कीजिएगा. कनाडा, कैपिटल इज ओटावा, करेंसी इज डॉलर, लैंग्वेज इज इंग्लिश एंड फ्रेंच, और जो रिलीजन है दैट इज क्रिश्चियनिटी. केप वर्डे, capital is Paria, currency is Escoda, languages they use are Portuguese, Creole, or the religion is Christian. Central African Republic, capital is Bangui, currency is franc, language is French and Sango, जो उनकी religion है that is Christianity and tribal. Chad, capital is N'Djamena, currency is franc, the languages they use are French and Arabic, or the religion is Islam and tribal. Chile, capital is Santiago, currency they use is peso, language is Spanish, religion is Christianity. China, capital is Beijing, currency is yuan, languages they use is Chinese, Mandarin, or Mongol. The religion that is followed in China is Christianism, Taoism, Buddhism is also there. though it's not mentioned, and a few traces of Islam is also there in China. Colombia, capital is Bogota. Currency they use is peso. The capital or the main languages that are used is Spanish. That the religion is Christianity. Comoros, capital is Moronic. Currency is Comorian franc. Uh, Languages they use are Arabic and Cameroon. और जो इनका religion है that is Islam and Christian. Congo, capital is Brazzaville. The currency they use is franc. Languages are French and Lingala, or the religion they have is tribal and Christian. Costa Rica, capital is San Jose, currency is colon. Languages are Spanish, the religion is Christianity. Cote d'Ivoire, capital is Abidjan, currency is franc. Language is French tribal, religion Islam and Christianity. Cuba, capital is Havana, currency is peso, language is Spanish, the religion is Christian. Cyprus, capital is Nicosia, currency is Cyprus pound. The languages they speak Greek and Turkish. Religions they follow Christianity and Islam. Czechoslovakia, capital is Prague. Currency is Corona. Languages Czech, Slovak, or religion is Christian. Denmark, capital is Copenhagen, currency is Kron. Languages are Danish, and the religion is Christianity. Djibouti, capital is Djibouti. Currency they use is franc. Languages they use are Arabic and French. Religion is Islam. Dominica, capital is Rosario. Currency is EC dollar. Languages English and French. Patrios, Christianity is their religion. Dominican Republic, capital is Santo Domingo. Currency is peso oro. Languages are Spanish. Religion is Christianity. Ecuador, capital is Quito. Currency is Sucre. Languages Spanish and tribal dialects. Religion is Christianity. Egypt, capital is Cairo. Currency is pound. Language Arabic. Religion is Islam and Christianity. El Salvador, capital San Salvador. Currency is colon. Language Spanish. Religion Christianity. Equatorial Guinea, capital is Malabo, Santa Isabel. Currency is franc. Language they use is Spanish and franc. Ethiopia, capital is Addis Ababa. Currency is Bir. Language Amharic, Gaelic. Religion Christianity and Islam. Fiji, capital is Suva. Currency is dollar. Language English and Fijian. Religion Christianity, Islam and Hinduism. Finland, capital is Helsinki. Currency is Euro. Languages are Finnish and Swedish. Religion is Christian. France, capital is Paris. Currency is Euro. Languages they use is French. Religion is Christian. Gabon, capital is Libreville. Currency is franc. Languages are French, Bantu, and dialects. Religion is Christianity and tribal religion. Next is Gambia. Capital is Banjul. Currency is Dallas. Languages are English and Mini-Doka. Religion is Islam. Germany. Capital is Berlin. Currency is Euro. Language is German and English. Official language and eight. Religion is Christianity. Next is Greece. Capital is Athens. Currency is Drachma. Languages are Greek and Greek. Religion they follow is Christianity. Grenada. Capital is St. George's. Currency is EC dollar. Languages English and French. African, Patois, and religion is Christianity. Next is Guatemala. Capital is Guatemala City. Currency is Quetzal. Language is Spanish, Indian dialects. Religion is Christianity. Guinea. Capital is Bissau. Currency is peso. Religion is Criollo Islam. Bissau Guinea. The religion that Guinean people follow is Christianity and prayer. Next is again Guinea. Capital is Conakry. Guinean franc is their currency. French and eight national languages they speak, and the religion is Islam and prayer. अच्छा अगर आपसे कैपिटल पूछा जाता है ना गिनिया तो you can write both Bissau and Conakry. Both of them are the same. One is Guinea and the other one is New Guinea. तो अगर आपसे न्यू गिनिया पूछा जाता है तो you follow this Conakry. Otherwise, it's more or less the same country. It's just like Guinea that was liberated by Portugal, and the New Guinea is the people from Guinea sort of a tribal thing. Next is Guyana. Capital is Georgetown. The currency they use is Ghanaian dollar. Religion is Christianity and Hinduism. Language is English, Creole, and Haiti. Capital is Port-au-Prince. The currency they use is Bordeaux. Languages are French and Creole. Religion is Christianity and Honduras. Capital is Tegucigalpa. The currency is Lempiba. Language is Spanish. Religion is Christianity. Hungary. Capital is Budapest. Currency is foreign. Language is Hungarian. Religion is Christianity. Iceland. Capital is Reykjavik. Currency is Corona. Languages are Icelandic. Religion is Christianity. Next is India. Currency is rupee. Capital is New Delhi. Language they use is Hindi, and the religion they follow is Hinduism. Indonesia. Capital is Jakarta. Currency is rupiah. Languages are Bahasa and Indonesian. Religion they follow are Islam and Christianity. Iran. capital is Tehran, currency is Riyal, language Persian and Farsi, religion is Islam. Iraq, capital is Baghdad, currency Iraqi dinar, language Arabic official and Arabic. Religion is Judaism and Islam. Italy, capital is Rome, currency is Euro, language Italian, religion Christianity. Jamaica, capital Kingston, currency Jamaican dollar, language English, religion is Christianity. Japan, capital Tokyo, currency yen, language Japanese, religion Shintoism and Buddhism. Next country is Jordan, capital is Amman, currency is Jordan dinar, language Arabic and religion is Islam. Kazakhstan, capital is Almaty, currency is ruble, language they use is Kazakh, Russian, German. The state religion is Islam. Kenya, capital is Nairobi. Currency is shilling. Language Swahili. Kikuyu. Religion is tribal and Christianity. Kiribati, capital is Tarawa. Currency is Australian dollar. Language Gilberts and English. Religion is Christianity. Korea North, capital is Pyongyang. Currency is won. Language Korean. Religion Buddhism and Confucianism. Korea South, capital is Seoul. Currency is won. Language Korean. Religion Christianity and Confucianism. Kuwait, capital is Kuwait City. Currency is Kuwait dinar. Language is Arabic and English. Religion is Islam. Kyrgyzstan, capital is Bishkek. Currency is Som. Language Kyrgyz and Russian. Religion is Islam and Christian. Laos, capital is Vientiane. Currency is Kip. Language Lao and tribal language. Religion is Buddhism and tribal. Lebanon, capital is Beirut. Currency is pound. Language is Arabic and religion is Islam and Christianity. Lesotho, capital is Maseru. Currency is Zloty. Language English and Sesotho. Religion is Christianity and tribal. Liberia, capital is Monrovia. Currency is Liberian dollar. Language is English and tribal. Religion is Christianity and Islam. Libya, capital is Tripoli. Currency is Libyan dinar. Language Arabic. Religion Islam. Liechtenstein, capital is Vaduz. Currency is Swiss franc. Language German. Religion is Christian. Luxembourg, capital is Luxembourg or Luxembourg. Currency is Euro. Language French and German. Religion is Christianity. Madagascar or Malagasy. Capital is Antananarivo. Currency is franc. Language is Malagasy and French, and religion is Islam, tribal, and Christianity. Next is Malawi. Capital is Lilongwe. Currency is Kawacha. Language is English, Chichewa. Religion is tribalism. Malaysia. Capital is Kuala Lumpur. Currency is ringgit. Language Malay and Chinese. Religion is Islam and Buddhism. Maldives, capital is Male, currency is Rufiya, language is Divehi, religion is Islam. Next is Mali, capital is Bamako, currency is franc CFA, language French and Bambara, religion Islam and tribe. Next is Malta, capital is Valletta, currency is Maltese lira, language is Maltese and English, religion is Christianity, tribal and Islam. Next is Marshall Islands, capital is Dalab, Olika, Daret, currency is dollar, language is Marshallese, English and Japanese, religion is Christian. Mauritania, capital is Nouakchott, currency is Ouguiya, language is Arabic and French, religion is Islam. Mauritius, capital is Port Louis, currency is rupee, language is English, French and Hindustani, religion are Islam and Christianity. Next is Mexico, capital is Mexico City, currency is peso or peso, language Spanish, Amerindian language, and the religion is Christianity. Next is Micronesia, capital is Colonia, currency is US dollar, language is English, religion is Christianity. Next is Monaco, capital is Monaco-Ville, currency is franc, language is French and Monegasque, religion is Christianity. Mongolia, capital is Ulaanbaatar, currency is Tuareg, language is Mongolian, religion is Lambastis and Buddhism. Next is Montserrat, capital is Plymouth, currency EC dollar, language English, religion Christian. Morocco, capital Rabat, currency dirham, language Arabic and Berber, religion Islam. Mozambique, capital Maputo, currency is Metical, language is Portuguese and Bantu. Religion is Islam, Christian. Next is Myanmar, capital is Yangon, currency is Kyat, language Burmese and tribal, religion is Buddhism. Namibia, capital is Windhoek, currency is Rand, language English and Afrikaans, religion is Christian. Nauru, capital is Yarm, currency is Australian dollar, language English and Noran, the religion they follow is Christian. Nepal, capital is Kathmandu, currency is Nepalese rupee, language they use is Nepali, religion Hinduism and Buddhism. Netherlands, capital Amsterdam, currency Euro, language Dutch, religion Christianity. New Zealand, capital Wellington, currency New Zealand dollar, language English and Maori. There is no state religion for New Zealand. Nicaragua, capital is Managua, currency is Cordoba, language is Spanish and English, and state religion is Christian. Niger, capital is Niamey, currency is franc, language French and German, religion is Islam and tribe. Nigeria, capital is Abuja, currency is Naira. The languages they speak are English, Hausa, Igbo, and Yoruba, and the religion is Islam, Christianity, and tribe. Norway, capital is Oslo, currency kroner, language Norwegian, religion Christian. Oman, capital Muscat, currency Real Omani, language Arabic, religion Islam. Pakistan, capital is Islamabad, currency is rupee, language is Urdu, Punjabi, Sindhi, Balochi, Pashto, but the state language is English. And the religion they follow is Islam. Papua New Guinea, capital is Port Moresby, currency is Kina, language Melanese Papuan, and religion is Christian. Paraguay, capital is Austrian, currency is Guarani, language Spanish and Guarani, religion is Christian. Peru, capital is Lima, currency is Sol, language Spanish and English, religion is Christian. Philippines, capital is Manila, currency is Peso, language Filipino English, religion is Christianity and Islam. Portland, capital is Warsaw, currency is Zloty, language is Polish, religion is Christian. Portugal, capital is Lisbon, currency is Euro, language is Portuguese, religion is Christian. Next is Puerto Rico, capital is San Juan, currency is dollar, language is Spanish and English, religion is Christian. Qatar, capital is Doha, currency is Real, language Arabic and English, religion Islam. Romania, capital Bucharest, currency Rwanda, language Romanian and Hungarian, religion is Christian. Russia, capital Moscow, currency ruble, language Russian, religion is Christian. Rwanda, capital Kigali, currency franc, language French and Kinyarwanda, religion is Bible and Islam. Samoa, capital Apia, currency is Tala, language Samoan and English, religion is Christian. San Marino, capital is San Marino, currency is Italian lira, language is Italian, religion is Christian. Sao Tome and Principe, capital is Sao Tome, currency is Dobra, language is Portuguese, native dialects, and Christianity is the religion. Saudi Arabia, capital is Riyadh, currency is Saudi Riyal, language is Arabic, French, and native tongues. Or for Saudi, it's only Arabic. The religion is Islam. Senegal, capital is Dakar, currency is franc, languages they use are French and native tongues, and the religion is Islam. Seychelles, capital is Victoria, currency is rupee, languages Creole and French, religion is Christianity. Sierra Leone, capital is Freetown, currency is Leone, language is English and tribal, religion is Islam and Christianity and tribal. Singapore, capital is Singapore City, currency is Singapore dollar, currency is Singapore dollar, languages they use Malay and Chinese, religion they use are Buddhism and Islam. Slovakia, capital is Bratislava, currency is Corona, language is Slovak and Magyar, religion is Christianity and Jews. Slovenia, capital is Ljubljana, currency is dollar, language is Slovenian, Serbo-Croatian, religion is Christianity. Solomon, capital is Honiara, currency Solomon dollar, languages are English and Pidgin, religion is Christianity. Somalia, capital is Mogadishu. Currency is shilling. Language Somali and English. The religion they have is Islam. South Africa, capital is Cape Town. Currency is Rand. Language Africans and English. Religion is Christianity. Next is Spain, capital is Madrid. Currency is Euro. Language Spanish. Religion Christianity. Next is Sri Lanka, capital Sri Jayawardena, Dhanapura, Kotte, currency is rupee, language Sinhala and Tamil, religion is Buddhism and Hinduism. St. Kitts Nevis, capital is Basseterre, currency is dollar, language English and Patois, religion Christianity. St. Lucia, capital Castries, currency dollar, language English and French, religion is Christianity. St. Vincent and Grenada, capital Kingstown, currency dollar, language English and Patois, religion Christianity. Sudan, capital is Khartoum, currency Sudanese pound, language is Arabic and English, religion is Islam, Christianity and tribe. Suriname, capital is Paramaribo, next currency Gilder, language Dutch and English, religion is Islam and Christianity. Swaziland, capital is Mababane, currency is Lilangeni, language is English and Swazi, religion is Christianity and tribe. Sweden, capital is Stockholm, currency Korma, language Swedish, religion Christianity. Switzerland, capital Bern, currency is Swiss franc, language German, French, Italian and Roman, religion is Christianity. Syria, capital is Damascus, currency is Syrian pound, language Arabic and Kurdish, religion is Islam. Taiwan, capital is Taipei, currency is New Taiwan dollar, language Mandarin Chinese, religion is Buddhism and Confucianism. Tanzania, capital is Dodoma, currency is shilling, language Kiswahili and English, religion is Christianity and Islam. Thailand, capital is Bangkok, currency Baht, language Thai, Chinese and English, religion is Buddhism. Togo, capital Loma, currency is Franc, language French, religion Christianity, tribal and Islam. Tonga, capital Nuku'alofa, currency Paanga, language English and Tongan, religion is Christianity. Trinidad and Tobago, capital Port of Spain, currency is Trinidad dollar, language is English, religion is Christianity. Tunisia, Tunis is the capital, currency dinar, language Arabic, French and religion is Islam. Turkey, capital Ankara, currency is Turkish lira, language Turkish and Arabic, religion is Islam. Turkmenistan, capital is Ashgabat, the currency Mantas and Ruble, language Turkmen and Russian, the religion is Islam. Tuvalu, capital is Funafuti, currency is Australian dollar, language Tuvaluan and English. Religion is Christian. UAE, capital is Abu Dhabi, currency is Dirham, language Arabic, religion is Islam. USA, capital is Washington, currency is dollar, language English, religion is Christian. Uganda, capital is Kampala, currency is Uganda shilling, language English and Rwanda, religion is tribal and Islam. Ukraine, capital is Kiev, currency is Karbovan, language Ukrainian and Russian, religion is Christianity and Islam. United Kingdom, capital is London, currency is Euro, language English, Welsh and Scots, modified form of English, religion Christianity. Uruguay, capital is Montevideo, currency is Novo Peso, language Spanish, religion Christianity. Uzbekistan, capital is Tashkent, currency is ruble and swan, language Uzbek and Russian, religion is Islam. Vanuatu, capital is Villa, currency is Vato, language English and Pidgin, religion is Christianity. Vatican City, capital is Vatican City, currency is Lira, language is Italian and Latin, religion is Christianity. Venezuela, capital is Caracas, currency is Bolivars, Spanish is the language and Christianity is the religion. Vietnam, Hanoi is the capital, Dong is the currency, Vietnamese is the language, Buddhism and Taoism is the religion. Malta, Ouagadougou is the capital, Franc currency, French and native languages, tribal and Islam are the religion. Yemen, capital is Sana'a, Rial and Dinar are the currency, Arabic is the language and Islam is the religion. Yugoslavia, capital is Belgrade, Dinar is the currency, Serbo-Croatian is the language, and Christianity is the religion. Zambia, capital is Lusaka, Kwacha is the currency, Bantu and English are the languages, and Christianity and Islam is the religion in Zambia. Zimbabwe, capital is Harare or Harare, currency is dollar, languages they use are English and Shona, religion they have is tribal and mostly Christian. Okay, that's it from the today's class. Today we have learned the capitals of different countries as well as their currency, the language they speak, and the religion they follow. So stay tuned for the next video that I am going to show to you guys. Would be mostly related to this booklet. We will complete this booklet for our initial purpose of training and subsequently will proceed forward for the advanced learning. These are the mostly the questions of the general knowledge that I'm discussing with you guys. So stay tuned and keep following our page and keep following the group that we have created out of that page, and do rate this video and do like this video and subscribe it. And if you have any questions related to the subject that I'm teaching you guys, so you can ask those to me straightforward, and I am available on the contact number that is provided below in the description of this video. So long guys, take very good care of yourself, ख्याल रखिएगा अपना और मुझे दुआओं में याद रखिएगा, और मेरे लिए कोई भी किसी भी किस्म का सवाल हो तो आई एम ready to answer that question of yours. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.